In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a CRA My Account for the first time, step by step. First, open the browser on your phone or computer. Now, in the search bar, type Canada CRA Login and open the top official link. Once the CRA website opens, tap on My Account for Individuals. Scroll down and look for the Sign In or Create an Account option. Next, tap on CRA User ID and Password. If you don't already have an account, tap on the Register link. Now you'll see the registration options. Select CRA Register. After that, you'll be asked to enter some required details. Fill in the information carefully and tap Next. Continue entering your personal details, such as your name, email address, and any additional information requested. Once you complete all the steps and submit the form, your CRA account will be successfully created. And that's it. That's how you register a CRA My Account for the first time. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.